Guys, today we go very beautiful video. This is unbelievable. So guys, if you're new for our channel, please subscribe, like and comment, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more updated video. Thank you. Let us start our video. Guys, today we got a new video like the way you see to the title. The title say that how to make money on YouTube without not subscribe. How to make money on YouTube without not having subscribe 1000 subscribe. A lot of time people they say if you want to make money on YouTube you have to get 1000 subscribe. This one you can make money on YouTube without 1000 subscribe. How are you going to get that money without not having 1000 subscribe? The first thing is to YouTube. Now they change the algorithm of YouTube. It's not like last 7 to 8 years, because that time was must to get 1000 subscribe and 4000 watching hours. So now you can upload your video first and 4, 5, 6, 7 video, then YouTube will monetize your video. In which way? When you start uploading your video, one thing you have to be very careful. Don't go and copy someone video again, come and upload. Like you go and take a video from YouTube, what's called in TikTok, then you come and upload in your YouTube. Second, don't bring your video from Facebook to YouTube. Third, don't bring your video from Instagram or any other platform then to YouTube. YouTube that time is not going to monetize your video even if you get thousand followers or sub. The thing is, if you want to get monetized on your YouTube, or you want YouTube to start paying you, is the time that you start uploading your video. And what type of video are you going to upload? You are a new YouTuber. You open your YouTube today. You don't have any idea what am I going to do. One thing, as long as you have a smartphone, you have this phone one time, that's it. Nothing else. When you go your phone, you go your internet, you go YouTube in your hand. The main thing is, if you have your phone, you have your email account, you have Wi-Fi or data or whatever you're using, you go YouTube in your hand. Create your account, upload. You don't need to go and buy fancy camera. Now your phone is enough. Like now, I can say like iPhone, Android, they build different camera on their phone, and some of them they're 100% better than their cameras. You see, so let me tell you, if you want to upload video, try to make your own content. Okay, it's vlog, do your own vlog. Try to upload like 6 to 7 video in your channel, which one of them you know that is clean without no any copyright. Special, don't go and take maybe an artist's music, you bring that short music, you add on your video. Once that video, YouTube scan that video and realize that there was a copyright inside of that video, you finish. YouTube, there was no way is going to monetize your video while there was a copyright content in your video. So make sure even the background sound, make sure it's clean, it's yours, you are the owner. Even if your music, if it's like any sound like baby games or something like that on the TV, if the TV makes sound now and the sound goes straight away to my camera, that voice, it will affect my video. It's me now talking in front of you, but YouTube, when it scan, he know like I'm using content of someone. So on that time, don't add anyone content on your video. 100%, I promise you are going to get monetized on your video. I will show you all how you can do it. The next video I'm going to react, I will show you where are you supposed to go? But now I'm telling you the upfront how you're supposed to be. Be ready. First, I need you to be ready for your videos. First, try to create a video that makes sense to yourself first. Don't look fancy, don't look camera, don't look what type of video I'm doing. No, it's just you only use your own idea. Use your own content. Don't use someone content, because YouTube, they look the first 5, 6, 7 video, the first on your channel, what type of video is that. Once they know it's not your video, they are not going to monetize your videos. Even if they monetize the whole channel, maybe you reach like 10,000, 20,000, you are not going to benefit than the people, those they start their channel with their own videos, whatever it is. Even if you will just showing your phone on your video, but the first 5 to 6, 7 videos is your own video without no any copyright, your channel is going to be pop, and YouTube, they are going to monetize. So if you are new YouTubers and you want to make money on YouTube, don't go and take video from YouTube, from TikTok. Don't go and take video from Facebook or Instagram or any other platform, you know, that you see like, oh, this is funny video, oh, I like this video, let me take to my channel. No, don't try. It's better take your phone, record yourself, then post. That's the best. That the best how YouTube they need, because YouTube always they want every second. There was like 160 million videos that just uploaded within a second. Pop, they are going. So they want you to bring with something different than those videos that have been uploaded on that time. So if you go and just see, download someone video from his channel, maybe in his YouTube or any other channel, then maybe you cut that video was 10 minutes, then you make that video 7 minutes, then you add little bit music on top, then you come and upload your video. First, they will take that video of yours, they will check to the old one which was there for 2 months to 3 months or 1 year or 6 years, or even 1 hour ago or 1 second ago or 1 minute ago. They will look, because this is not a human being who's going to look. This they put on the system and they scan. So they know this video was being uploaded before this. So you take from this person. So they will never accept. Maybe even they will send email to that person and tell him that we got a content related to your content. Are we going to drop, or what are we going to do? If that person is not a good person to you, or because he doesn't know you, if you are is your brother or your sister, then you do whatever you did it. If that person say like, I reject, I'm not accepting, then YouTube, they're gonna drop your video. If you keep doing and doing, YouTube, they are going to ban total your channel from monetization. You will never ever get any monetization in your channel at all. So to save for your channel, to save for your time, for your effort you are doing, don't upload someone video in your channel. Okay, you are doing reaction. For example, you're doing reaction. I do reaction on my big YouTube channel. I do reaction. So if you do reaction, if you don't know how to edit, how to change a lot of things, how to put something on top, don't try. Don't try, you're gonna lose your channel. And YouTube is not going to help you anything unless it's going to drop you. So guys, you have to be very careful with your channel. And I know you're going to make money. Within 5 videos in your channel, YouTube is going to monetize, as long as you are safe and clean. Now YouTube, they change, they monetize all YouTube channel as long as you post your videos and they're clean and you are ready to work. YouTube, they will never stop you. YouTube doesn't know you. YouTube doesn't know me. YouTube doesn't know that. YouTube is there for business, and you are just doing business. But what they need, the content that was the value, the content which was not being uploaded before you. But if you bring the same content, YouTube, they're gonna say like, why are we wasting time to this person? Then they drop your channel. So thank you very much, guys. Next video, I need you guys to write to the comment what do you want me to talk with. And I promise I'm going to help anyone who have a question and ask me. Feel free to ask. I'm ready to reply for you. If you write to the comment, I will reply for you. If you follow me in my all other platform, my Facebook, my Instagram, even my YouTube, my TikTok channel, anywhere you just follow me, then you say like, I'm from this channel, then bro, helping me with this and this, I'm ready to help you. I'm here for free. This is for free. Okay, thank you very much, guys. See you next video.